So once you go to create, you get to see the Kling AI dashboard here, where on the left it shows home, explore, and assets. This is the menu on the left that has the effects, image, video, sound, AI tools, all this stuff on the left here. But this video is focused on using images to create videos because that's what's really key here. So we're going to go into the video generation tab right here to the left because what we're doing is using the two unique ways that you can create videos in Kling AI. The first one is frames, using frames, and the second is using elements. Now I'm going to elaborate a little bit on this. So now let's talk about frames. With frames, what you do is you have the opportunity to drop two pictures, right? A beginning shot and an ending shot, and the tool creates a transition between both of them. That's what frames are for. So you'd be uploading two images in here and it'll be creating a transition between them right here, or whatever you want to happen between the two shots. That's the first one for image to video. Now, the second one is elements. In elements, you are dropping 4 images, or you could drop up to 4 images is what I should say. And here you will have those images interact with each other by putting a prompt here. So I'm going to show you how you can use both frames and elements under image to video to create amazing realistic videos that I've been able to do using Kling AI.